I get this question all the time. Devin, what makes a niche easier to outsource on YouTube? The short answer is this. An outsource-friendly niche is one where the quality comes from the process, not from your personality. Here's the decision rule I use. If a new team member can research the topic, draft the video, and hand it back to you for a quick quality check without needing your brain every 5 minutes, that niche is probably easy to delegate. I'd score it on 4 things. First, research clarity. Can someone find topics and facts from public, reliable sources? Second, format repeatability. Are the videos built from the same structure every time? Think tutorials, software breakdowns, list videos, simple explainers. Third, editing predictability. Does the edit follow a consistent pattern, or does it depend on comedic timing, storytelling instinct, or your personal taste? Fourth, approval speed. Can you review a script or rough cut in under 10 minutes and know whether it's good? If the answer is yes across those 4, it's outsource friendly. If the niche depends on your life story, your face, your humor, or original reporting, it's usually harder to systemize early. So beginners should lean toward niches with clear sources, repeatable formats, and objective quality checks. And once you're ready to hand that off, a workflow layer like Satura helps turn briefs, scripts, thumbnails, and approvals into one system. Pick the niche your team can execute without borrowing your personality. That's usually the one you can scale.